Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, and this is what I'm eating for dinner. This is a Philly cheese with my sauteed bell pepper, onions, and red roasted bell pepper. Now here's the deal, you guys. I got the Philly cheese at Sam Club. Okay, so only thing it had on the sandwich was the steak and the cheese and the bread. Everything else, you guys, I sauteed the onion, the bell pepper, and the red roasted bell pepper. So let you guys know that. But yeah, so let me show you guys. And I did put extra I did put extra pepper jack cheese, but I think they just had the regular I don't know what you call that kind of white cheese. I don't know. But anywho, if you ever brought the fitted cheese center for SoundCloud, you know what they have on it. Oh, and I forgot sauteed me some roasted garlic. See it? But I just want to come back to show you guys that. And I did toast my bread as well, and I put mayonnaise. You can see that right there. I'm not mayonnaise, mustard. Oh my goodness. And that's the cheese mixed with the pepper jack cheese. But everything I did saute my own onions and bell pepper, garlic, and the red roasted pepper. Yeah. So I want to come back to show you guys what I got, what I'm eating on my channel, my cook channel. And I did bake me some skinny fried. Yeah, but this gonna be definitely, see that cheese, oh my god, that's the back of it, when I turn around. But yeah, I saute, and then I'm gonna throw some of these pepper on my sandwich. I just got it on the side. Yes. But anyway, you guys, like this video, and this right here, I might not even eat this, but that's that habanero that is very hot, I guarantee. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. I really appreciate it. And subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe, okay? Okay, and you guys, this is what I'm drinking on. Coca-Cola. And you guys, this right here, see, that's that steak. This right here, that's the steak. As you can tell, it is brown. Alrighty, so again, I just want to come back to show you. Okay, you guys, I thought I was taping. Apparently I wasn't. But what I say, this is the steak. Okay. And I don't know if I showed you. This is what I'm drinking on. Thought I was taping, but I wasn't. But anywho, that's okay. But anyway, I'm just to get out of here because I don't want my Philly cheesesteak to get cold because it is still warm. I guarantee. Until then, you guys, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends and family. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. And go ahead, you guys, go ahead to Sound and get the Philly. Only thing that you're going to have, you go to Sound, only thing they have is the bread, the cheese, and the steak. All the rest of this stuff, I saute everything. Okay? Bye-bye.